Hello friends, welcome you again. My name is Pradeep Yadav and today I am going to discuss usage of comment in Python programming. You know what is usage of comment? Basically, when you are going to write any program in Python or any code, sometimes we also need some comments, because by using that comment anyone can understand what you have done or what you have written this code for. So this is very easy for anybody can understand what is meaning of that particular code. That's why we try to write comment. Okay, so here I am going to discuss usage of comment, single line comment and multi-line comment, and also I will show you in practical manner how and when you can use the comment. Okay, so comment are used to explain the written Python code. Comment can be used to make the code more readable and understandable. Meaning of that, suppose you are going to write any line of code. Okay, so you can also mention a comment with that line, with that code, so any programmer can easily understand what this line is going to do or what this piece of code is going to do in your whole program. So that's why we mention comments. Okay, comment are used to making the source code easier for humans to understand, which I have already discussed. And now you know what happened. Comment can be used to prevent executing when testing code. Suppose if you want to test something and you want to comment a code, means if you want to avoid a code, so that code could not be part in during the execution of that code, so you make it comment. Okay, so you can use that comment as, means you can use that code as commented. Actually in practical I will explain everything. So here, suppose here you can see and how we can create comment in Python. So for creating comment in Python, firstly you have to use hash sign. Here you can see the hash, and suppose this is line and here I have mentioned hash, so this will become a comment. Okay, here please p should be small, so please ignore that should not be caps, because if you are going to write caps in IDLE environment, that will be not execute, that will generate a error. So avoid this, this should be small. Okay, so here suppose if you want to make it print hello Pradeep as a comment, so just write hash here and this will work as a comment. Here if you want to write anything, only you have to put hash sign, so that particular line work as a comment here. And also comment can be placed at the end of line. Okay, so here suppose you have written any code, print hello Pradeep and hash I am example of comment. So is you know, now this is another type. By using that this type also you can make it comment. So this is here I am talking about single line comment, because here I am only commenting single line, here I am also commenting single line. So basically this is example of comment, and if you want to make any sentence or any code in Python as comment, you have to write hash. Okay, and suppose what I have discussed, suppose if you do not want to execute a code, so you can make that code as a comment also. What you have to do, only you have to write hash sign and that particular code will become as a comment. Means whenever any word, suppose you have written 5 lines of code, and if you want for testing purpose particular piece of code should not part taking execution, so thus what you have to do, only you have to make it comment, just write hash in front of that code or in end of that code, and that will work as comment. So here I have given 3 example, hash, this is comment either. Okay, so this is example of single line comment. But when you are talking about multi-line comment, so in Python there is no any concept of multi-line comment, but if you want to write multi-line comments, you have to insert a hash sign for each line. Suppose here I have to write multi-line, so every line you have to mention hash. So this is work a comment, this is work as a comment, this is also work as a comment. So this is a way to make multi-line comment in Python. And then there is another way, that is, here you can use triple quote to make it multi-line comment. Means starting just mention 3 quotes and just write your message, and again close by 3 quotes. So this piece of line is will also work as multi-line comment. So this is way. So here this is way to make a single line comment. Only you have to write hash, and that will work as a single line comment. If you want to make multi-line comment, then if you have to insert hash with each line, then that piece of line or that piece of code will work as a multi-line comment. And there is another way also. So by using triple quotes also you can make it multi-line comment. Now let me show in the practical way. So here just let me open the Python, means Python environment. Now this is open. Okay, so let open a script file. Okay, so here just write hash, just here you can write print the name Pradeep. Okay, now here you can write code print and Pradeep. Okay, just save it. I have saved it as comment. Okay, and run this file. Here you can see the output, means there is no any problem. Now talking about multi-line comment, so what the first way is that this is going to write a code for print, and here whatever you want to write you can use. This is code, it depend. Okay, now you can write print I am Bosch here, and just save it again. And run. So here you can see I am boss. Okay, now talking about third method, just copy paste. Let me copy paste this code. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to use triple quote. Okay, here just 1 2 3 and close by 3, 1 2 3. Okay, now again save it. Just let me change here so that you can see output. I am not boss. Save it and run. So here you can see I am not boss. So this is way, so how you can use single line comment and multi-line comment, because when you are going to write large program, so in that type of program we need comments. So you and also anybody can understand what is meaning of that particular line code which you have written. So that's why comment is very requirement. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.